Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I have Steven Sanchez for you. This has been in numerous times on this channel. And songs like The Other Side, This is a Thing Called Love, and many others has been here. Now it's time for Sweet Love. Okay, Sweet Love. This is a very simple song to play. And we have some characters in the song. The sweet lady is dancing around him. But first and foremost, the main characters, the old couple, I believe they are his real grandparents. I'm not sure, but I think so. Anyway, that's the Sweet Love song. Let's go into it. And you can see here, no need for any capo here. We have 5 chords, I believe. And yes, let's go through the chords like we usually do. We're gonna start with C first. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. F, which is a bar chord, so play an index finger across all strings there on the 1st fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And there you have the 4 main chords, but then to handle the bridge part that I played for you before in this introduction, you need to handle the E minor as well, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so I mentioned the 4 main chords, and we have that main pattern C, A minor, F, and G. That goes pretty much 95% of the song, and you can handle this in 2 or maybe 3 different ways actually. So if you start with the first chord C, you can play like this. That means 4 downs per chord. So you play C, 4 downs, A minor 4 downs, F 4 downs, and G 4 downs. Okay, so it sounds like this. Yeah, that's the first version. Now you can double up this, so you play like this. Okay, so that means you're gonna play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And I play like this for 1 round. I try to emphasize the 3rd down, and I play that more on the high strings. The other downs I play on the bass strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Okay, that's the second way of playing it, and the third one is more compared to the drums, how they go, and the rhythm going on in the song. So it's not just straight downs, it goes like this. This would be the most accurate, I believe, and follows the song in the best way. So again, grab the C, and you're gonna play like this: down, down, up, down, 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 down. So 2 downs, a short little pause, and then up, down, 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 down. You're gonna play 1 of these per chord. So C, A minor, down, up, down, down, down. F, down, up, down, 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 G, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, so that's that. Now into the bridge, we have that at 1 minute and 43 seconds in, and at that point you're gonna play just 1 down per chord. So you're gonna play F. And the pauses in between these downs before you play the next chord is as if you would play 2 strumming rounds. I mean, one of these strumming rounds that you play in the main. So depending on what you choose there, you're gonna play this with just the straight downs. You're gonna play the 4 downs there. That would be the length of the pause in between. So 2, 3, 4, G is the next chord, then E minor, and then A minor. Second half goes F, G, back to F, and then back to G. So only like that, one down per chord. The order F, G, E minor, A minor, F, G, F, G. And then you're gonna jump back into that main pattern of C, A minor, F, and G, and play that till the very end. And that's it, guys. Steven Sanchez, Sweet Love. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, yes, feel free to support me here on Guitar. See you next time, guys. Play tuned.